In the anchor video for this Future of SaaS series, I had said AI will not kill SaaS, but it may make the SaaS screen less important. So the next question is, how should SaaS companies respond? I believe they need to rethink three areas together: product discovery, architecture, and pricing. In the previous video, I spoke about product discovery. Because when AI has a recurring cost, every AI feature must justify its economics. In this video, let's talk about architecture. Because if the SaaS screen becomes less important, the architecture behind the scene, behind the screen, also becomes very, very important. If AI agents start working across SaaS products, the answer is not just add a copilot. That is the easy part. The harder question is, how should AI actually work across data, workflows, permissions, and systems? This is where orchestration becomes important. Now, of course, large SaaS platforms are already thinking deeply about orchestration, but this point is not only for the largest SaaS companies. It is equally relevant for SaaS founders, product leaders, enterprise buyers, investors, and traditional software companies that are rethinking their products in the age of AI. Because the real shift is this: orchestration is no longer just back-end technology plumbing. It is becoming the strategic control layer of AI-first SaaS. Let me explain with a simple example. Suppose a sales leader asks an AI assistant which customer renewal risks need attention this quarter. To answer this properly, the AI agent cannot look only at CRM. The customer renewal risk may involve CRM data, open service tickets, contract expiry dates, payment delays, product usage, and past escalation history. Now imagine the AI agent starts calling every system, API, and database randomly. Three things can go wrong. Cost can go up, complexity can go up, and risk can go up. Every unnecessary system call can increase cloud cost and token usage. Every unnecessary data access can create governance and compliance risk. And that is why orchestration is becoming central to SaaS architecture. Think of orchestration as the traffic controller for AI inside SaaS. It decides what data is needed, which system should be called, what can be reused, which model should be used, what needs human approval, and what action can be safely triggered. It also helps SaaS companies understand where AI cost is being consumed, which workflows are creating value, and what can eventually be priced, bundled, or controlled. There's another important client expectation here. Clients will want more flexibility. For example, they may want to define renewal risk using their own rules. Contract expiring in 90 days, high severity service tickets, payment delays, or declining product usage. Earlier, they may have waited for the SaaS vendor to customize all of this. In the future, they may want to configure much of this themselves. And that is where low-code and no-code becomes relevant. Low-code and no-code may become the configuration layer through which clients define workflows, rules, and agent behavior. And the orchestration layer ensures those actions happen safely, economically, and within governance. So the future SaaS platform is not just a screen with AI added on top. It is product plus data, workflows, permissions, configuration, orchestration, and intelligence. In the AI-first era, architecture is not just a technology issue. Architecture becomes a business model issue. Because the SaaS companies that only add AI on top of screens may struggle, but the SaaS companies that build trusted intelligence behind the screen may become even more important. The battle may not be about who adds the most AI to the screen, it may be about who builds the most trusted intelligence layer behind the screen. Therefore, start with the business problem, then understand the workflow, then define the governance and control layer, only then decide where AI should sit. And remember, business problem first, workflow first, governance first, and AI second.